So friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I am showing if you guys facing fatal error problem in your Wuthering Waves game. So guys, watch this video till end, because in this video I am showing why this error problem is coming and what is the solution of this problem. So guys, you can watch this video till end. Do like this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. So guys, the first thing to do to fix the fatal error is to verify your game installation. There are two ways to do this on PC depending on how you are playing the game. Make sure that no instance of the game is running before you try either of the below fixes. You can ensure this is the case by looking for instance of the game.exe running in the task manager. So guys, now going on the fix of this solution. So the solution is on Epic Game Store, go to the library and click on the three dots beside Wuthering Waves. In the menu that pops up, select manage, then verify the files. If that does not work or the launcher does not pop at all, you will need to run the launcher by going to the install folder and starting the .exe directly from there. From there, follow the below step. If you are using the direct launcher, download from the developers, start it as normal and click the wrench icon in the top right corner. A message will pop up asking you if you are sure that you want to repair the game client. Doing so will start the game directory scan, which can take some time. So guys, this is the solution of this fatal error problem. So guys, try this way and you will fix your fatal error problem in Wuthering Waves. So guys, I hope you understand what I am saying. If you guys having any other problem, you can comment me. Do like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.